Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Radiant Diva, and if today is your first time of watching, please feel free to subscribe and also turn on your notification bell. And to my old subscriber guys, thank you so much. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you all how you can dissolve your hydroquinone powder. Yes, how to dissolve your hydroquinone powder and putting it inside any formulation that you're making. Okay, you can, in this case I'm going to be dissolving my hydroquinone powder and I'm going to be adding it inside my liquid soap. This is a pure base liquid soap, guys, pure base liquid soap. So you can dissolve it and add it to a facial cream, a body cream, any product you want to add it to. Okay guys, so I'm going to be dissolving my hydroquinone powder and we're going to be using it to make a facial soap, guys. So please continue watching and make sure to watch from the starting to the ending. Catch you guys. Okay divas, so we are going to make our 4% hydroquinone facial wash. Okay, so we are doing 4%. Please, anything more than 4% when it comes to hydroquinone, do not go further. Please, hydroquinone is between 2% to 4%. Once it is more than 4%, then you are going to be damaging your skin, like risking your skin to sunburn and irritation and stuff like that. Okay, we are making a facial wash. This is going to lighten up the face. It's not just lighten up the face, okay, because hydroquinone is not particularly for lightening. Hydroquinone is particularly for treatment, for pigmentation. That is what they use hydroquinone for. And the other ingredients that we are going to be using here also, they are going to target pigmentation and also lightening. Okay guys, so before then, today is October 1st, so I'm going to be doing group training for those in Nigeria. This is just a bonanza. Okay, I'm going to be doing group training for those in Nigeria. Those in Nigeria, if you know you are in Nigeria, just rush now, go to the description box of this video. You will see my WhatsApp contacts. Just rush now because the training is going to kick off on the 10th. Once it is more than on the 10th, no more group training. Okay, I'm going to stick to my normal training, my one-on-one training, and that is kind of expensive for you. So I'm just going to do this one as bonanza, just for the Independence Day. Okay, I'm going to do this as bonanza. So this is just like you're paying. It's not even half. You're paying quarter, like just you're paying change of my normal training fee. So this is for those in Nigeria. Group training. The training is going to start on the 10th of this month. So after on the 10th of this month, it is closed. So if you're watching this video from on the 10th, after on the 10th of this month, please, no more group training. I don't do group training. I do one-on-one training. Okay, and you have to pay the price for one-on-one training for one person. But this group training is just for this October 1st, just like wishing my subscribers, those in Nigeria, just wishing them this. I'm just wishing them this one now. Okay, so guys, hurry up now and come and join and register. It's really cheap, like it's a change for you. After this one, it's fatigue. Okay, so guys, here I have my ingredients which I'm going to be using to make my facial soap. Here is a soap base. This is pure soap base, nothing like lightening stuff. It's a pure soap base. Okay, nothing in here. This is it, pure one. So you have to activate this one. It is pure. So I'm using the soap base, 80 grams of the soap base. Please take note, the pure soap base is 80 grams of the pure soap base. Okay, so here I have my active ingredients. Okay, I have papaya extract here, which is 5 grams of papaya extract, 10 grams of licorice extract, 10 grams of guta cola extract. You know, just go to Google and you just put the benefit of papaya extract on the skin. You will see the great benefits. Benefit of licorice extract, you will see the benefits. Benefit of guta cola extract on skin, you will see the benefit. Okay, so that you will know that this facial wash is powerful, like really powerful and very cheap to make. And here I have honey also. We are using 3 grams of honey. We all know honey help to, it will just help you to calm your skin. It will help to fight bacteria on the skin. When it comes to honey, it's very great for bacteria. Okay, so we are using 3 grams of the honey. Please take notes. Papaya extract 5 gram, licorice extract 10 gram, gutta cola extract 10 gram, honey 3 gram. Okay, so here is the papaya extract. Here is the licorice extract, and this is the gutta cola extract. Oh, sorry to measure, sorry to say, guys, I forgot. I added a drop of my fragrance oil, just a drop. It can be 1 drop or 2 drop. You can see one little thing shiny here. This is my fragrance oil, just a drop. And this is my hydroquinone powder. This is 4.8 grams. Hydroquinone powder, 4.8 gram. So you dissolve your hydroquinone powder with propylene glycol or propanidol or water. So I'm using propanidol because this is really safe. It's much safer than propylene glycol. Propylene glycol is kind of harsh on the skin, but this one is safer on the skin. So 12 gram, or you use water to dissolve your hydroquinone powder, 12 gram of water, or you use 12 gram of propylene glycol. Okay, so here I have my soap base. So now I'm going to dissolve my hydroquinone powder with my propylene glycol, sorry, my propanidol. You can use water to dissolve, guys. Okay, and you can do the double boiling method to properly dissolve it. Okay, guys, you can do double boiling method to properly dissolve it. So guys, this is hot water and this is my hydroquinone mixture. So I'm just going to put it inside here. It will just heat up and dissolve. So sorry guys, I forgot to show you guys my hydroquinone powder. Okay, this is the hydroquinone powder. Please do not use more than 2 to 4%. And in my training class, I'm going to tell you where you can get all your materials, all the ingredients you're going to use to work. Okay, I'm going to tell you where you can also get your hydroquinone powder. So if you're joining this group training class, you have to hurry up. On the 10th of this month, we are kicking off. We are taking the training, and after this is finished, I don't do group training. Okay, I don't do group training. If you're coming one-on-one, after on the 10th one-on-one, you have to pay the normal fee. You have to pay the normal fee. Okay, so while we allow this to dissolve, here we are going to add in the extracts, the honey, and also the fragrance oil. Okay, and they mix together. So guys, now I'm going to add in the hydroquinone solution. So I think this is properly dissolved now. Yes, so this is properly dissolved. You can see that the solution is properly clear. The solution is properly clear. So all you do, you add it into your soap and you mix together. So now the soap is looking watery. Okay, so for you to thicken your soap back, all you have to do is you add in your xanthan gum. So you use your glycerin to dissolve your xanthan gum. Always use glycerin to dissolve your xanthan gum, guys. Okay, and you add it into your soap As you're adding it, you'll be mixing at the same time. As you're adding, you'll be mixing at the same time. Okay, now you can see how thick the soap is looking now. You can see that this is thick already because of the xanthan gum. So we are going to check the pH first before we can add the other thing. So this is what we have, and this is not too good because hydroquinone product is supposed to be a little bit of acidic, okay? Hydroquinone is supposed to be acidic in nature. You see, sometimes when you make a product with hydroquinone, between 1 to 2 days, the product is going to come dark. The reason why the product is coming dark, because the product is not acidic in nature. So we are going to add a little bit of lactic acid to make it a little bit acidic for us, okay? And you mix again. Let's check the pH again now that we added the okay. So this is perfect. This is perfect because hydroquinone, the pH of hydroquinone is 4, between 3.3.4. This is exactly 4. Okay, this is what you should be looking at. This is 4. So the only thing that is left here is to add in your color. Of course, you need to drop some beautiful colors here so that your soap will be looking beautiful. So I still need more color. So guys, if you want to join the group training, you better hurry up now because from on the 10th, I'm done with the group training. I'm not going to do anything called group training again, okay? So this is it, guys. This is your 4% hydroquinone facial wash. So if you also want to make a face cream with your hydroquinone powder, it's still the same thing, the same process. So get your pure base cream. Get your pure base cream. Add any ingredient you want to add to it, but do not do too much. When you are using hydroquinone product to work, do not do too much. Like now, you have to add this. You have to add kojic acid. You will add alpha-arbutin at the same time. You will add Snow White at the same time. You add this is hydroquinone. It is already strong. It is already strong. It is already strong. Don't do too much, guys. So guys, here is your facial wash. You can use a nice beautiful color, but this is the color I use, and I just poured the thing on the on my clothes. Okay guys, so see you soon in my other next video. Bye.